Hey guys, it's Alex here from alextubi.com and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I recently posted a video about Instagram story features you didn't know existed, and there were so many I wanted to include that I had to split it into two parts. So if you want to see part one, click here, and if you're here for part two, then keep watching. But before we dive in, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and sign up for my free Instagram masterclass. It's called 10 Instagram Secrets Every Business Owner Must Know, and it'll set you up for success on Instagram in 2021 in just 45 minutes. The link is above and in the description box below. All right, IG story features, let's go. Spotify. Did you know you can share your favorite Spotify songs, artists, and playlists with your audience? When listening to your favorite tunes, hit the three dots in the top right, select share, then choose Instagram stories. This will instantly load it into your stories where you can then adjust the size, position, and add any extra text, GIFs, or images around it. When you share this to your story, your viewers will be able to click it and start listening right away. Link to highlights. Highlights are a great place to put important information like FAQs, tutorials, and product offerings, but it's not always easy to direct people to those highlights, until now. When you access a highlight, look for the three dots in the bottom right, then you'll see an option that says Copy Highlight Link. If you click that, it will give you a link that takes people directly to that highlight. That means you can share it in your story if you have the swipe up feature, in DMs, or even on other platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and Pinterest. Schedule in advance. You're probably aware that scheduling Instagram posts in advance has been a thing for a while, and many companies offer it, but not many companies actually allow you to schedule your stories in advance, which can be a total lifesaver for a busy entrepreneur who needs to show up daily but can't afford to be on the app all day long. Which brings us to the sponsor of this video, Later. I have been using Later for so many years now, and their service is absolutely incredible. Not only can you schedule your post to auto-publish while you sleep, respond to comments on posts, and track the success of your content via their detailed analytics, you can also schedule your Instagram stories. Later allows you to bulk upload video and photos, drag and drop them onto the storyboard, add text, the swipe up link you want to include, and any notes you may need. You can then choose the perfect time to post based on your previous account activity and get instantly notified when it's time to go live. Whether you complete your stories prior to uploading to Later or you use their clipboard feature to help you create a styled story in a few seconds, scheduling your Instagram stories will keep you top of mind for your audience, keep you active on IG, and save you a ton of time. If you're interested in trying out Later and all their incredible features, including story scheduling, click the link in my description box below and enter my code for a free month of their growth plan. Share GIFs direct to stories. Everyone loves a good GIF. You can now add these directly to your story to create fun and engaging content with very little effort. To do this, open your stories, select Create, then scroll over to the GIF option. Search a keyword and then explore the options. Hands-free. This is a simple yet important feature that every avid storyer should use. Instead of having to keep your finger on the trigger while recording a story, you can select the down arrow and choose hands-free. Then you can click the trigger one time to start your recording. This will continue until you click it again to stop or until the maximum amount of time is recorded. Words per line. Another seemingly simple Instagram story feature is the ability to adjust the amount of words that appear per line. To experiment with this, simply type something out, then look to the far left of your screen, and there's a sneaky little slider over there that if you press, hold, and slide, it will increase or decrease the amount of words per line. Donations. Finally, we have the donation sticker. This is an awesome addition by Instagram to help support nonprofits. To encourage your audience to donate, simply create a story, select the sticker button, and find the donation sticker. You can then search for or select one of the recommended charities, and once you share this to your story, your viewers can click on it and instantly donate. From here, you can check your story analytics and see exactly how much money you've helped donate. Pretty cool, huh? So that's it for today, guys. Be sure to let me know in the comments below if any of these features were new to you. And as always, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell to be notified the next time I upload a video. Have a great day, and I will see you next time.